Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The ultimate guide to Massaman Curry, Thailand's rich and creamy comfort food. Massaman Curry is one of Thailand's most comforting dishes, with its creamy coconut milk base, tender meat and warm spices. Unlike other Thai curries, Massaman has a hint of sweetness and a Persian influence, making it stand out. It's a dish with deep roots, often served at celebrations and family gatherings. The blend of peanuts, cinnamon, and star anise gives it a rich, complex flavor that's both hearty and aromatic. Whether you've tried it before or you're new to Thai cuisine, Massaman Curry is a must-try. Let's break down what makes it so special. The origins and history of Massaman Curry. Massaman Curry isn't just a Thai dish, it's a story of trade, migration, and cultural exchange. With roots tracing back to Persian and Indian traders, this curry has a flavor profile unlike any other in Thailand. Over time, it absorbed local Thai ingredients, evolving into the rich, aromatic dish we know today. Persian and Indian influences. The name Massaman likely comes from the Persian word Musulman, meaning Muslim, hinting at its origins. Spice merchants and travelers from Persia and India brought key ingredients that still define the dish: cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. These warm, fragrant spices were rare in Thailand until trade introduced them. Cumin and coriander. Commonly used in Indian curries, they add depth to Massaman's flavor. Nutmeg and star anise. These lend a subtle sweetness, balancing the heat from Thai chilies. Before becoming a Thai favorite, Massaman was influenced by Mughlai cuisine, think creamy, slow-cooked meats with layered spices. The dish was likely adapted from Persian stews and refined in royal Thai kitchens. Evolution in Thai cuisine. Thais took these foreign spices and made them their own. Coconut milk softened the intensity of the spices, while local ingredients like lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves added brightness. Here's how Massaman became distinctly Thai. Peanuts. A popular Thai addition, they thicken the curry and add a nutty richness. Palm sugar. Balances the heat with a touch of caramel-like sweetness. Thai chilies. While not as fiery as some Thai curries, they give Massaman a gentle warmth. Southern Thailand, with its Muslim communities, became the heart of Massaman Curry. Over time, regional twists emerged. Some versions use duck instead of beef, while others include potatoes, a later influence from Portuguese traders. Key ingredients in Massaman Curry. Massaman Curry's distinct taste comes from a blend of creamy, sweet, and spicy ingredients. Each component plays a role, from smoothing out the heat to layering in deep, aromatic flavors. The role of coconut milk. Coconut milk is the backbone of Massaman Curry, giving it a velvety texture and mellowing the spices. Unlike other Thai curries that lean fiery, Massaman's richness comes from the coconut milk's natural sweetness and fat. It balances the intensity of the spices without drowning them out. Think of it like a soft cushion for bold flavors. While some curries use coconut milk as a thin base, Massaman relies on its thickness. Slow cooking allows it to reduce, creating a luxuriously rich sauce that clings to meat and potatoes. Signature spices and herbs. Massaman's spice blend is what sets it apart from other Thai curries. Many spices aren't traditionally Thai, they were introduced through trade and perfected over time. Here's what makes the mix so special. Cardamom adds a floral, citrusy warmth. Cinnamon brings sweetness and a woody aroma. Star anise delivers a licorice-like depth. Cloves provide a sharp, slightly bitter bite. Herbs like lemongrass and galangal add brightness, while kaffir lime leaves contribute a fresh, citrusy note. The spices aren't just tossed in, they're typically dry roasted first to intensify their flavors before being ground into curry paste. Peanuts play a dual role. They thicken the curry and add a toasty, earthy flavor. Paired with palm sugar and fish sauce, the result is a rich, balanced dish with layers of taste in every bite. How to make traditional Massaman curry. Making Massaman curry from scratch is easier than you might think. The key lies in balancing the spices and giving the flavors time to develop. You'll start by preparing the curry paste, then slowly build the dish layer by layer. That wraps up part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the ingredients and cooking process of this delicious curry. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.